Good day, guys. It's HD here from Ditshego Junior Capitals, and I'd just like to welcome each and every one of you who's watching this video. And yeah, guys, today I'll be teaching you guys the symmetrical triangles, how to trade symmetrical triangles, what are symmetrical triangles, how they look like, and how you can be able to trade them on your trading platforms, either demo or live. So yeah, guys, let's get started so I can show you. Remember, guys, the ebook is available for free. In case you need this ebook, I'll share the details on how you can get it down by the description of this video or by the end of it. So do stay tuned until then so that you can get how you can get yourself this ebook. The ebook certainly contains like everything you need to know on forex trading, what forex is, all the strategies that I use to trade the forex market. So do look into that so you can be able to trade the forex market. Let me go to the topic on symmetrical triangles. Okay, found it over here. Alright, so yeah, it states here that one thing that you'll easily recognize is that these patterns look more or less like a triangle with the peak facing in the right direction. They are continuation patterns of varying price to consolidate in between these triangles before continuing with the previous trend. So yeah, guys, even though here I mentioned that they are continuation patterns, but what you'll realize with symmetrical triangles is that it's possible that you find them breaking on either side, either on the resistive or supportive trend line, which gives you an opportunity to either go long or short after the confirmation breakout. How to trade the symmetrical triangles? By placing your stop loss on the apex, which is in between the ascending and descending trend line. Take profit. What am I doing now? Take profit distance between the highest high of the upper descending trend line and the lower low of the ascending trend line. So let me even show you guys an example over here. So you can see, okay, this one here, it's definitely a continuation pattern. Price started off with this downtrend, as you can see with this line that I've shown you guys, and then it starts consolidating to form this descending trend line and the ascending trend line over here, and we finally get to see our break here on the supportive trend line here, where price that then continues with by selling off for this particular currency pair. So yeah, our stop loss was right in between our levels here, which is like the apex in between the supportive and the resistive trend line, and we get to enter here, and the same exact distance here which we use on the highest high and the lowest low of the triangle, we use it to measure our target. It's another form to place your target, but otherwise you'll have to use that 70 pips strategy that I used on the other videos that I've shared with you guys. So yeah, guys, I also have another example here which is also more like a continuation, but even though here like price was consolidating before it started forming this symmetrical triangle, where we had our break on our resistive trend line here, and price got to start moving up from there. So yeah, let me show you a couple of examples that I've also prepared for you guys. So yeah, guys, we'll start off by analyzing the the USD JPY H4, tracing it back into July up until end of July, somewhere there. And yeah, let me quickly place in my trend lines. So we have our descending trend line here, which is the resistant trend line, and our supportive trend line, which is ascending in this case. So the market starts off with this strong uptrend here, as you can see, which is our maximum highs there. And as you can see with this candlestick, which I've mentioned a lot how important this candlestick is in the ebook. So if you haven't seen much about it, do check it out. It reaches our maximum highs there, starts selling off, and then from here on we had our lows. Market starts going up again to our resistant level there, to our resistant trend line, goes back to our support, back to our resistant line, and started selling off, passes through, breaches through our chart pattern, and we had our official breakout there. So if we were to trade this, guys, we're looking to entering it somewhere around here after the confirmation breakout. You remember, guys, I told you like we need to have like at least some enough space to confirm that this is actually a breakout. And yeah, we'll be looking at entering at this level, and from here on we place our stop loss and take profit. So stop loss is still again 500 points, which is somewhere around this level. And that's our stop loss. And target is at least 700 to 1,000 points. So in this case 700 is too tight, so would give the market enough room for 1,000 to make additional profits. So yeah, which is almost in line with our previous lows there. And yeah, our target, which is like 1,000, it's like a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio there, and that's like a perfect ratio for a trade to take. So yeah, guys, that's it for the symmetrical triangle. Like I said, market starts off with a strong uptrend, consolidate in between our chart pattern. We have our breakout, place our entry after the breakout there, 50 pips as our target, as our stop loss, and 100 for our take profit. And that's it. Thank you, guys. Let's look at another chart pattern. We're gonna look at the USD ZAR, which is our local currency, United States dollar against the South African rand. And again, we start off with our trend lines, and we can see we have like a complete pattern here. Market, in this case, it's a continuation pattern. You can see that the market just like went down throughout. So market was ranging down, I mean like selling off there. We had our highs there, lows, and then started consolidating our highs on a resistant level again, another one on a resistant level, and a lot more on the support. We have our breakout over here. The moment it breaks out, we place an entry. Our entry is slightly below the supportive trend line for a continuation pattern on a downtrend. And from here we place like 500 points. Oops. So yeah, guys, with the USD ZAR, what happens is that since ZAR is like minor currency compared to the US dollar, we're gonna like have 5,000 as our stop loss. we'll be looking at placing our stop loss over here and targeting 10,000 points, which is like right at this level. Sorry, change color to represent a stop loss, red, and that's it. That's how easy it is to trade these chart patterns. If I were to repeat it again, market sells off over here, consolidates in between here to form this chart pattern, and we place our entry right after the breakout there. 500 pips as our stop loss and 1,000 for our target. And as we can see, like market did start selling off to reach our target there, and it even went further down, as you can see, as the time went by, and it never even reached that level of like hitting your stop loss. So if you had traded this one, you would have been in profit just as usual. So yeah guys, do practice these strategies on your demo accounts or live accounts if you are trading live, and make sure you have your risk management in place and your analysis properly. Your entry, make sure that your entry is not too tight or entering a trade too late, because the moment you place your entry too late, it means your target will also be very far, which could like affect you in the market, like not reaching your target and starts going to your stop loss. So do make sure that you follow through your strategies, trading plan, have it all in place. And if you practice enough, I believe guys, you'll like do well in trading. So all these basic steps, it's very important, so do follow through them so that you can advance as a trader and become a better trader. And yeah, from here on, like if you're still interested in the ebook, the information I'll be sharing right now at the end of this video. It's Ditshego Junior Capitals, learn how to trade the world's largest financial markets, which is the Forex market, a $5.3 trillion market, which is like traded every single day. So yeah, do make sure you learn how to trade that so that you can have a piece of your pie on this $5.3 trillion, which is traded every day. And yeah guys, check on the description below and right at the end of this video how you can get yourself the ebook. Follow me on Instagram. I'm very much active on Instagram. I share a lot of my setups on Instagram, a lot of market analysis, updates on what I have to offer you guys, and a lot more. Facebook as well, Twitter, Ditshego Junior Capital still, and YouTube. Like, subscribe. If you have any question on this video I just like uploaded, do comment below and I'll be very much glad to help you out. So yeah guys, thank you and see you guys on the next video.